All right, today I have a Lexus NX and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular vehicle. But before we get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting in the vehicle, I'm behind the steering wheel of the vehicle. And what I'm going to do to open up the hood is I am going to look to the left-hand side and down by the foot area. All right, so I'm going to look down here. I'm going to find this lever. Do you see this lever right here? I'm going to take my finger, come up underneath like this, and pull on it so it pops just a little bit. You hear that? It popped just a little bit. And once that happens, I'm going to get out of the vehicle and I'm going to walk around and I'm going to come around to the front of the vehicle and I'm going to look down right here and I'm going to find there's a safety latch in there. And so the safety latch, you have to raise it up. So I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to come up in here and there's a safety latch under here. It's at the bottom and I'm going to show you once I raise it, lift up on it, and then I'm able to raise up the hood. Now, the safety latch, it's not down here like your typical American cars are. It's right here. So what I did was I took my hand, pushed it up like that, and it opened up enough for me to open the hood. And when you put up the hood, there is no kickstand. All right, there is no kickstand. So the hood is open right there. It stays open by itself. All right, and that's how you open the hood on the Lexus NX. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.